Someone asked me this question. I am in Nigeria. Is it advisable or is it wise to target people in the US or the United Kingdom? And I'm going to be answering this question. You see, I have run ad campaign targeting people in those regions, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of my experiences so far and how the ads policy works. So if you're in Nigeria targeting, or if you're in the third world country like in Africa or third world country, and you want to target people like the United States or the United Kingdom, just know that it is going to be expensive. The reason is because Facebook have an accumulated and an accurate data for those areas. So if you're targeting a high net individual, believe me, you are really targeting a high net individual. Those people are going to see your ads. Those people are going to see your ads. So Facebook is going to charge you more compared to when you're running your ad campaign within this region. So, but if you're running from the United States and you're targeting in people in Nigeria, in Africa, most of the ads you see, like I think Teo Lopez and all that, people in the US targeting those in Nigeria and in Africa, they are going to be spending lesser and are going to be making more money from the ads campaign. The reason is because they are going to be spending lesser compared to us targeting them in the United States. Okay, so if you want to target people in the United States, it is a good idea. But if you sell a little product, or you sell a small amount of product, a product of about $5-10, you might be wasting a lot of money. Okay, so one thing you need to do first is set a good sales funnel, bring out your product, and then the pricing of your product is going to be very important. You need to know how much you are going to budget for that product, how much you are going to budget for the ad campaign before you even think of running the ads. Okay, so you need to put a product, maybe product of between $10,000, that's $25, $50, $100, $1,000, so that you will know that you are making money from the ads. Else you'll be spending so much money, wasting your money, and still not get a good result. So if you want to target people in the United States, work on your product, work on your sales copy, and target them.